Welcome. We are working on section 8.4 for Math 20. All right. Today we're doing volume. We did perimeter, surface area, and now volume. The volume is the length times the width times the height. Basically, it's the area of the base times the height. Now, the reason I say it this way is if you have a cylinder, which is a circular base, or a triangular based prism, all of these would give you, you'd have the same basic formula. All right, so it's area of the base, length times width, times the height. Circular cylinder, okay? Area of the base, pi r squared, times the height. Sphere, you just have to have the formula. It's 4/3 pi r cubed. Remember, surface area was 4 pi r squared because square units is area, volume will always be cubed. Notice I have 3 r's. Here I have 2 r's and an h. Here I have an LW and an h. 3 terms, 3 units, cubed units. Okay, now for a cone, it's always going to be 1/3 the volume of the enclosing cylinder. Same thing if you have a pyramid. So let me see. They don't get into that, but I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if you had a pyramid, it's going to be the area of the base. So if you had a pyramid with a square base, okay, I have a point up here. We have a line here, 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 and a fourth one back there. It's going to be the area of the base, 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Same thing. Okay, so volume of a cone is 1/3 the volume of the enclosing cylinder. So in this case, 1/3 pi r squared times h. All right, so r is 2.1. All right, are they wanting us to... Okay, so now we're going to start over. We've talked about the equations a little. Let's actually do one. Do these. Okay, so the volume is going to equal 20 times 8 times 16. All right. So we have 2,560 centimeters cubed. Okay, you can do that, or you could do cubic centimeters, CU, like we used SQ for square. All right, here we have a volume is equal to pi r squared h. Well, pi is 3.14, r is 4, h is 15. Whoops. 15, sorry. All right, so we have 3.14 times 16. Yes, that's 4 squared times the 15. 753.6. 753.6 centimeters cubed. Okay, I noticed I forgot to box my other answer. All right. Sphere, we have a radius of 6, so we have 4/3 pi times 6 cubed. Okay, so 6 cubed. Oh, wait, what? Huh? I got the wrong symbol. 6 cubed. Sorry, I was having trouble with that. Pi. So 3.14 and times 4/3. So times 4 divide 3. 904.32 cubic meters, because that's a 6-meter radius. Cubic meters. All right, the cone we're given, we have 1/3 pi, 3.14, r squared, r is 2.1, times 6, which is my height. Okay, 3.14 times 2.1 squared times 6 divide 3. 27.69. 27. And this is going to be, again, cubic centimeters, or centimeters cubed, your choice. Okay, that M looks kind of more like an N, but it's supposed to be an M. All right, now we're going to take the volumes of figures that are complex and add them together. So here we actually have 2 rectangular prisms. So that's rectangular prism A and B. And our total volume is going to be the volume of A plus the volume of B. So the volume of A is going to be 2 times 2 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28 centimeters cubed. The volume of B, it's supposed to be an equal sign, is 2 times 2 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20 centimeters cubed. We add the two together, so our final answer is 40 centimeters cubed, and we're done. All right, here we have 2 figures. We have a right cylinder. We have a cone. All right, A's volume is going to be the area of the base, so that's pi r squared. R is 7, so squared is 49, times the height, 6 feet. Okay. The volume, of B is again the area of the base, pi r squared, times the height. But now because it comes to a point, it's 1/3. All right, and then we're just going to add those 2 figures together. So we have 3.14 times 49 times 6. And then we have 3.194 times 49 times 7 divided by 3. All right, so the first one is 923.16. The second is 359. We're going to add those together. And we get 1,282.17 feet cubed. Okay, there we go. And I think we're done. Yep. All right, good job, guys. That's 8.4. We'll see you later.